On our bill of fare today, we have kenkey. This is one of the most popular Ghanaian street foods. It is so good. Trust me, anytime you visit Ghana, we will be very happy if you try this. Traditionally, this is paired with fried fish and then chili sauce. But we are going to pair this with our tomelatadi or fanti. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So, to prepare your kenkey, you need corn dough. Now this is corn dough I made at home. I'm just going to add my water to it and then give it a stir. I'm so excited to have you on the channel today, and thank you so much. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen. We do easy recipes here, so please, if you're interested, do not hesitate to subscribe for more videos. My returning ones, thank you so much. You are amazing. Thank you. Now we are done mixing everything and it looks like porridge. Okay, we are going to add our salt. Make sure you add enough salt. Okay, now let's start with the preparation. This is on fire. Give it a stir and then make sure you don't leave it on fire like how it is right now. Okay, just keep an eye on it so that it does not become lumpy. I'll go ahead and add extra water because I realize this will be very hard. You can use this, and that is what we use traditionally, but I prefer using my spoon. Okay, so in order to get that soft kenkey, you need this to be very soft. That is why I added that extra water. Now give it a stir till it becomes uniform. You can see the color is popping out. Okay, when your dough is ready, if you use corn dough that is white, it will become very white when it is ready, and when it is yellow, when it is ready, it will become very yellow. So when preparing your kenkey, you need to divide your corn dough into 3 equal parts. That is how traditionally they do it. But in today's video, I divided it into 2. So we cooked the one portion and the other portion is uncooked. Now that the cooked one is ready, we are just going to add the uncooked one to it and then mix it very well so that we will get it very uniform, and that is the reason we added more salt. And until you make a say, so what you won't cry dokunu. It was say, which we broom moreno, a mummy and son, send your beya, who ben near barco. Now, face said, Bia, what the Mununa one near you at the account. Now, what can be no more. No more in the recipe, no, ye chemumi no pet, and na ye near fa. Ebe no ye de fa no e de aka ho ye beka bibie no mo eno nti na ye de nchin bebre ye den ye de gu mo no so ati ase. Now I have soaked my corn husk very well because we want it very soft and we need to wash it very well. I did not show you how I mixed this with the uncooked one because I had problem with my thumb. Yes, it was twisted, so I didn't want to create the impression that when you are mixing it you have to struggle. That is why I did not show it on the screen. I'm so sorry. Now we are just going to fold that in the corn husk, and please just watch the screen for me. So me no ka say die ye de ye ebro ho no e de egu nsuo mu e ma na ye mre kama ya hohoro ho yie ankasa esan se wutumu se na ye fi ye wie no tibi na fato ebro ho no ho ni mu na fe chiche no kama me gidi ye pasa what ma say aha enu nti no sisia no hwe screen so fama me na hwe se ne amesi ye no na me gidi ye pasa obeti ase e de amame eye na sa wo chichire a mesero eye na wa chichire ne yi e de amame. Please make sure you fold it very well for me, okay? Yes, you see we have that perfect. You see Good. Now I'm going to do it for the last time and then we can continue. I'll be very happy if you follow me on my other social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes, and on TikTok, Instagram, and then our YouTube shorts. We always upload short videos there, and trust me, you will love them. Okay, we are done folding this one and I'm going to do the rest behind camera. Sisi a yachichi bibi ewie eno ntino ye de brohu no be den ebeku eye chansen no ye wie a ne yahyehe bibi a e de egumu kama obehu no wo screen so wotumu se ne ye ne de enye den kra eda fom eye tewtew nti wo beti ase e de amame. Now we have arranged some of the corn husk in the cooking pot. I will just arrange the kenkey in it and then we can continue. Have you liked this video? No? Oh, what are you waiting for? Can you please smash on the red subscribe button and then the follow button for me? It is free. They don't take money, okay? Many beji passe. Ube mi entroye na ya trying to subscribe no so any adomba na ya say all no so send ye be ya ye the video for bia de to her ye me dofo won sabe kebi na wahwe e dia mame me gidi ye pass obe ye e dia mame me da sepa se ko ba ne se wo hwe video yi wi a me dofo jai me wadwenkyere e wo bebia ye di adwenkyere no me che comment section ho na me ni beje pa share video yi from afofofo send ye be ya ye bosia ku no emu betre. I'll be very excited if you share this video and then leave me your comments in the comment section and let me know if you are going to try the authentic Ghanaian kenkey, and trust me, you will love it. Now that we are done arranging everything, I'm just going to put it on fire and then add my hot water. Okay, I have boiled that very well and I've added it to it. Now we are going to boil this for about 1.5 hours. Afi yahyehe bibie wie no ye de nsuo hye de gu ho se ne be ya aduane ne be bentem ahant we ye benua ne be ye se 1.5 hours. So atias se koba ne se nsuo ne refi ho a fe bi fe gu ho me hyewa na kind of say Emma Asenshi. Now our kenkey is ready. Please make sure you have enough boiled water so that when it is done, you can add some to it and make sure it does not burn. Our kenkey is ready and we are going to enjoy this with our tomelatadi or fancy, which I have the recipe on my channel and then on my Facebook page. Just look at that, so soft, and this was so delicious. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.